So import static package name dot class name, and which member you are calling, that member name also you have to write here. Or you don't want to mention all the members. Just now we discussed, right? As Muni said, import static package name dot class name dot star. That means all the static members of this class you can access. You don't need to write a one by one. Right? Like we have now so many members, right, in that class. Instead of one by one, you can write a dot star. So let's go and see that, okay? And then once you do a static import, directly you can call the static method name, static variable, and return type method. Anyhow, you have to store in a variable and you can reuse that wherever you want. So let's see that. Static import. Static import demo. See this static import first. I'll do the static import. Import static method programs dot static members dot L. I want to call L. See, I can call calling static variable with the static import. You can call directly. So
that means not getting all particular what are the variable we require. That alone we are importing here.
That alone. Which variable you want to call, that variable you specify on the import.
Okay.
See, I can see I'm calling directly. That means it is treating as a same class. That's what the power of the static import. See, call the static method, static void method. Just division, right? Why it is not showing? We didn't import, right? So we didn't import. That's why it is showing, it is not showing. If you do a static import, then you can do that. See that. See, now you can call division here directly. See it, now it is visible. So I don't need to specify the class name before static method and static variables. See that? The static method is executed. Same, others also. See, now I can call swap integers.
Previously we didn't give that static, right?
We didn't give normal import I did.
Normal import, yeah.
So we did a normal import in previous class. Here I am doing a static import. Static import you can do only for static members, so not for the non-static members, okay? For always.
Okay.
So even return type also you can do the same. First execute this. And then we have a return type method. Calling return type method. So return type method, what is the formula? Data type of the method, variable equal to return type static method. So data type is double. I'm calling get random data. So it won't show. Why? I didn't do that, right? I didn't do the import. Then only it is possible. Without doing, it's not going to be a load without a class name. So these are all you're doing with the static import. You're doing multiple imports, right? Instead of this, just comment out all these things. See, now all errors are showing. Can you see all? These are all errors. See, all are gone. So that's the power of this. So dot star. See, all the, and so you can directly call the convert to Celsius. So I will call in the print statement. Fahrenheit temperature is, see, convert also showing. See, 89.6 Fahrenheit degrees for this 32 Celsius degrees temperature. So this is the static import. How to do?
One thing, Ramesh, if we do that, that static import, that methods, something like a star we gave, right? If there is a non-static members in that,
No, you're not accessible.
that means only these will be accessed, and that will not, that will be hide, or access scope
That
will
will
not
not
be
be
there.
accessible at all. Those are not belongs to class. Non-static, you should not use class to call the non-static with a static, like static.
Okay. Mm.
Both are, see, I already told the memory is different entirely.
Yeah.
These memories will store in the method area.
Yeah.
Those memory will be heap area,
Keep area.
runtime data. Entirely different. Memory partitions entirely different. So
Okay.
how can you access one memory data in with another memory reference?
No,
It's
not possible. Yeah.
so that's why always remember, static and non-static both are two different entities. Okay,
Yeah.
that's all I want to cover this today. I want to stop it here. So tomorrow we'll see the non-static method.